Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a comparison between Scalenut and Anyword 2 AI-driven SEO tools. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at Anyword. Anyword offers AI-powered SEO tools focused on improving search engine visibility. It provides advanced keyword research, content optimization, and performance tracking features. Anyword emphasizes data-driven insights and provides actionable recommendations to improve SEO strategies. Its focus on data-driven insights and advanced features may appeal to users seeking in-depth analytics and optimization capabilities. While it may have a steeper learning curve, Anyword provides powerful tools for businesses looking to take their SEO strategies to the next level. In terms of pricing, Anyword may appeal to users seeking more advanced analytics and optimization capabilities, albeit at a higher cost. On the other hand, Scalenut offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your content creation process. It boasts features like an SEO assistant, AI copywriter, and a managed marketplace for hiring top talent. This makes it a versatile solution for various content needs. One of Scalenut's key strengths is its support for both long-form and short-form content generation. This means you can tackle various content needs, from comprehensive articles to concise social media posts. Additionally, Scalenut provides insights into NLP term analysis and competition analysis directly integrated into the content creation workflow. In terms of pricing, Scalenut's pricing varies based on usage and features, including options for individual users and businesses. In conclusion, both Scalenut and Anyword offer valuable AI-driven SEO tools with unique features and capabilities. Users should consider their specific needs and budget when choosing between the two platforms. You can choose between the two by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.